Neutron stars are born when a massive star, typically more than 8 times the mass of our Sun, exhausts its nuclear fuel and undergoes catastrophic collapse. The outer layer of the star are expelled into space during a supernova explosion, while the core, composed primarily of neutrons, collapses in on itself due to gravitational forces. This collapse is so intense that it overcomes repulsive forces between atomic nuclei, resulting in a neutron-rich remnant. Neutron stars are incredibly dense, with a mass of about 1.4 to 3 times that of our Sun, compressed into a sphere of only about 20 kilometers in diameter. This extraordinary density gives rise to mind-boggling gravitational forces on their surface. Neutron stars have an immense gravitational pull, about 2 billion times stronger than Earth's gravity. If you were to stand on a neutron star surface, the intense gravity would cause your body to flatten and your atoms to be crushed. The core of a neutron star is composed mainly of tightly packed neutrons, hence the name surrounding the core is a region called the crust, which is composed of solid atomic nuclei immersed in a sea of free electrons. This crust is incredibly strong, akin to the strength of steel, due to the powerful gravitational forces at play. The magnetic field of neutron stars are also remarkably intense, often billions of times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. Neutron stars are now exhibiting a variety of remarkable phenomena, some of which have captivated astronomers for decades. One such phenomena is their ability to emit beams of radiation from their magnetic poles. If these beams are oriented in our line of sight, we observe pulsars are a rapidly spinning neutron star that emit regularly pulses of radiation, appearing as lighthouse-like beacons into cosmos. Another awe-inspiring occurrence associated with neutron star is the formation of accretion disk. When a neutron star is in a binary system with a companion star, it can pull matter from its companion onto its surface. This matter spirals inward, forming a disk of superheated gas known as accretion disk. The material in the accretion disk can reach incredibly high temperature, emitting X-rays and gamma rays that make neutron star binary system some of the brightest sources in the universe. Neutron stars represent the extreme limits of nature cosmic creation. They are incredibly dense, possess powerful magnetic field, and exhibit breathtaking phenomena and technological advancement. Astronomers continue to unlock the secret held within these enigmatic objects, depending our understanding of the universe and expanding our knowledge of the physical laws that govern it. Neutron stars are a testament to the diverse and extraordinary phenomena that exist throughout the cosmos, leaving us in awe of the wonder that lie beyond our planet.